Hey guys, welcome back to OB Toys. So today I'm going to be showing you my custom Allosaurus Godzilla hybrid. I recently watched the movie Godzilla -1 and I liked the spikes on the back of the Godzilla, so I thought it'd be kind of a cool concept to put with a dinosaur today. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway today, so make sure you stick around and find out what you have to do to enter in today's giveaway. Also, if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, I love working with blacklight and glow-in-the-dark paints. So make sure you stick around to see what happens when I turn out the lights. Alright guys, I'm going to sit back and let you watch my process, and I'll check back with you in a bit. If you guys are enjoying the video so far, be sure to smash that like button for me right now. Also, if you're not subscribed yet to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and follow along in the fun. Alright guys, I'm just about finished here. Have a few more little details to add to this thing, but I'm not going to make you wait around any longer. I'm going to go ahead and skip to the final results. But before we do, we always got to go back to where we started. And here we go. So this custom is the first time I've used foam sheets to make spikes, and I actually really like it. They're pretty strong, believe it or not. but I do like how they're soft and flexible and nothing's gonna break on them. It's a safe, great material, and you guys should definitely consider using it for your projects at home. Alright guys, I'm about to show you glow in the dark and black light, but before we do, wanted to mention about the Toys for the Ages Expo coming up here in July. If you can make it, check out the details here. We will be giving away 2 of my customs this year, so please come and hang out with us. Alright guys, black light and glow in the dark paints, here we go. So I'm curious what you guys think of the new Chaos Theory TV show. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like it or not. Alright guys, if you made it this far into the video, it's time to find out what you have to do to enter in today's giveaway. Alright, number 1, you gotta like and subscribe to the channel here, leave a comment below, share this video with at least one friend, and then the final step is follow me on my Facebook page and type the word giveaway in one of the comments on any of the videos in my Facebook page. The link to my Facebook page is in the description below. Well guys, that brings us to the end of another video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did putting it together for you. Guys, also be sure to check out my online toy store, shopobtoys.com. I have a ton of toys on the toy store there for you guys to build your collections, to buy supplies to make your own customs, and I even put my own customs on there from time to time, so be sure to be checking it out and see if there's anything new popping up there. But yeah guys, everything you buy here supports the channel here and helps us keep on growing. Also, if you want to just buy some merch and help support the channel by doing that, we have t-shirts, posters, stickers, all sorts of stuff on Teespring. You can check out the link above. Also, a special thanks to all my OB Toys members. Really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving the channel. If you want to become a member, click on that link above. Alright guys, like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, OB Toys